Have you ever noticed a healthy flower suddenly stop blooming? Before you buy expensive fertilizers, try this simple homemade plant feed. Just one application may help your flowering plants look healthier and encourage fresh blooms. Take 1 liter of water and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Stir well until it completely dissolves. As you stir, the baking soda helps create a cleaner growing environment around the roots and may reduce conditions that encourage fungal problems. Now add 1 tablespoon of clove powder and stir again. As it mixes, the natural compounds in clove help discourage some common pests while supporting healthier leaves and stronger flower buds. Let the mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes before use. Pour the solution slowly around the base of each flowering plant until the soil is evenly moist. You can also lightly spray a small amount on the leaves, avoiding direct sunlight during application. This helps the plant absorb the mixture through both the roots and foliage. Repeat once every 3 to 4 weeks, as using too much baking soda may affect soil balance. With proper watering, sunlight, and regular care, this simple homemade mix can help keep flowering plants healthier and encourage more blooms over time. Try this easy gardening tip and enjoy healthier, happier flowers. Happy gardening!